All right, so let's start drawing and painting session for today. And I welcome Anand Dada here. Are you all excited? Are you all ready?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, I can see that. Yes, Rajvi, I can see that move. Yes, the excitement is too high. Great, 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 great. So let's start today's class.
oh yes. Thank you, Vandar. Thank you so much. And yes, I'm really very happy that so much energy in the room, so much happy faces, sweet, cute, excited, and lots of expressions I can see over here. Yes, thank you so much. So good afternoon, everyone. Let me share my screen. Just one sec. So आई एम श्योर आप सब लोग बहुत कहानियां सुनते होंगे बहुत सारे मम्मी से दादी से दादा से नानी नाना फ्रेंड फ्रॉम मंदार दादा एंड अदर फैसिलिटेटर्स सो बहुत सारी कहानियां आपने सुनी होगी सो टुडे yes okay so is my screen is visible just thumbs up. Okay. So yes, good afternoon again. Okay. Let me do this in my way. Okay. Yeah. So as I mentioned, I'm sure आप लोगों ने बहुत सारी कहानियां सुनी होगी. Okay. So and there is one story which is my favorite, and there are two feature films based on that story. One is animated film and another one is live action film. The live action film released few years ago. Okay, and there is one character who have blue color. Okay, and he does lot of magical thing. So, and can you able to guess? Just think about that. Which character is that? Okay, and if you got answer, great. If not, just have patience. Stay with me. We are going to draw these characters. So based on that story. Okay, chalo. So get ready. So let's start with your paper and pencil. So yesterday what we learned? We learned that basic shapes are very important, right? This is what we learned. Okay. So on that basis only, I'm going to continue. Okay. So we need one rectangle shape. Okay. But all edges should be curved like this. Let's start with rectangle shape. Just observe where did I. So this is my page and little right side and little top side. I made this shape. Okay. So try to understand the placement and try to apply it on your paper. Okay. So just 1 minute. Okay, Anvay, fine. Agam, hello Agam. Yes, I can see Agam. थोड़ा नीचे बनाओ. Kritika, make it big. Rajvi. Okay, Rajvi, fine. Yes, Arjun, fine. Arjun, increase the width, Arjun. Manasvi, yes, Manasvi, we need curvish edges. Okay. Ria, yes, Ria, fine. Sanvi, yes, Sanvi, or else Arush, yes, Arush, this is fine. Path, yes, Path. Agam, still bring it down. Agam, still. Okay, chalo, let's move ahead. Almost you are done. Yes, Janvi, you want to show Janvi? Show me. Yes, Janvi, fine. Janvi, shift it little bit on left side, Janvi. Okay. Now we need oval. Let's make nice oval above it. Okay. Hmm. Yes, Rajway, this is fine. Anvay, Anvay, make this oval big. It's too small. Okay. Yes, Kritika, nice one. Manoj, yes, Manoj, this is fine. Sanskriti, this is fine. Okay. Yes, Parth, great. Okay. Rishikesh, fine, Rishikesh. Yes, Riya, good one. Yes, Agam, nice. युग युग मैं आपका नहीं देख पा रहा हूँ, थोड़ा सा बाहर पकड़ा है आपने, अंदर ले लो. श्रेयस, यस श्रेयस, नाइस. चलो, लेट्स मूव अहेड. Yes, Arush, this is fine. Now we need a triangle, but again edges should be curved. Okay, let me make little clearer for you like this. So what we did, first we started with rectangle, little curved edges, after that an oval, and then we come up with triangle. Okay. Yes, Rajvi. Okay, Rajvi, bring it little closer, Rajvi. थोड़ा आगे लेके आओ. हाँ, yes, Rajvi, nice. Okay. Yes, Parth, nice. Kritika, good one. Vihan, yes, Vihan. Vihan, show me Vihan. हाँ विहान, सी विहान लेफ्ट साइड बनाना है आपने, राइट साइड बनाना है ड्राइंग, आपने लेफ्ट साइड बनाया है, राइट साइड बनाओ. यस सानवी, दिस इज फाइन. संस्कृति ब्रिंग इट क्लोज. संस्कृति क्विकली. यस संस्कृति, दिस इज फाइन. यस अगम, नाइस. यस ऋषिकेश, गुड वन. चलो, सो मूविंग अहेड. अर्जुन, make the triangle, Arjun. Yes, Arjun, this is fine. Make the triangle now. Now, we need to draw another character. Okay. So let's start with. Wait a second. Let me move it little up. Hold on. This oval compared to this oval should be little smaller. Compared to this oval should be little small. Okay. Done. So moving ahead. Now again we need rectangle, but little skew and little curvish edges, not straight line, little curved edges. Yes, Rajvi, fine. Rushikesh, yes, Rushikesh. Rushikesh, make it little big, it's too small. Yes, Parth, this is fine. Janvi, okay, yes, Janvi, this is fine. Anvay, make it big. Vihan, yes, Vihan. Okay, Vihan, make it big. Kritika, yes, Kritika, nice. Yes, Janvi, this is fine. Okay, Arush, yes, Sanskriti, okay, fine. Yes, Arush, hold properly, huh? Be careful with your paper, Arush. Yes, Arjun, nice one. Arjun, increase the size, Arjun. It's too small. The second rectangle. Yes, Agam, good one. Yes, Rushikesh, this is fine. Now, yes, Sanvi, this is fine. Okay. Now, we need one circle, a nice circle. Okay. And after this, one curve and another curve. So these are two curves. One curve is here, another curve is here. First I made, after this rectangle I made circle, and then I made this curve, these two curves. Okay, let me check now. Yes, Agam. Okay, Agam. Yes, Parth. Yes, Anvay. Show me Anvay. Quickly. Make it, bring it closer. Anvay, bring it closer. Ah, yes, Anvay. Fine. Yes, Arjun. Arjun, this one is too long. Reduce the length. Reduce the length. Little bit. Okay. Yes, Arush. Nice. Rajvai. Okay. Fine. Okay, Janvi. Janvi, fine. Uh, Manoj, increase the size. Kritika. Yes, Kritika, this is fine. Okay, so let's move ahead. Almost you are done well. Yes, Arjun, this is fine. Another curve. Let's begin with another curve. Let's start another curve. Hmm. Yes, Rushikesh, fine. Continue, Rushikesh. Hmm. Now, again curve to close this. So it will look like a J, letter J. See, can you able to see J over here? Hmm? Letter J. Okay. So if anybody guess which, yes, Arjun, this is fine. If anyone guess, put it in the chat box which character we are doing. Okay. Now it is good enough information for you. Anybody want to guess? Just put it in the chat box. Okay. Let me check the answers. Yes, Rajvai, this is fine. Darsh, fine. Vihan, see this curve, how I made this curve, observe this curve. Vihan, yes, Shreyas, show me. Okay, who else want to show? Arush, bring it closer. Ah, yes, Arush, this is fine. Yes, Sanvi, थोड़ा सा वर गए. Sanvi, move it up. Yeah, yes, Sanvi, this is fine. Okay, Arush, this is fine. Yes, Arjun, this one is fine. Okay, chalo, let's move ahead. Let me see. Many of you, I think, put it in the chat box, but where is my chat box? Okay, uh, fine. Okay, anyway, so many things are here. Yes, Janvi, this is fine. Chalo, let's move ahead now. Now, we need two small rectangles, okay? Small but nice rectangles we require. Okay, see, I have made over here, let me show you closer look. Over here I have made these two rectangles. Okay, yes, Arjun, this is fine. And then it's a feet. Okay. Now let's draw another feet. Many of you answered. Okay. Arush mentioned Aladdin and Genie. Janvi mentioned Aladdin and Genie. Aladdin. Sanvi said Aladdin. Sanskriti. Oh, many of you gave correct answer. Yes, it's a Aladdin. So it's a Arabic tale. Yes, Sanskriti. Sanskriti, bring it closer. Move it little up. Move it little up. Sanskriti. Yes, Sanskriti. Good one. Fine. Rajwai, move it little up. Move it little up. Rajwai. Rajwai, see this shape. Make it little straight. Okay. Yes, Riya, this is fine. Yes, Arjun, this is fine. Yes, Arush. Fine, Arush. Yes, Parth, this is fine. Shreyas. Okay, fine, Shreyas. Yes, Arush, this is fine, Arush. विहान फीट को बड़े करो विहान the feet are too tiny. Okay, खड़ा नहीं रह पाएगा वो. Make it little big. Yes, Kritika, nice. Okay, so moving ahead with this curve for the hand. Okay. Yes, Raju, make it little long. Yes, Rushikesh, continue. Good one. Now we need to draw another curve. Okay, and for thumb and hand, I'm using two curves. Yes, Parth, I did this. So I made two curves. Okay. Yes, so moving ahead. Yes, Rajvi, this is fine. And let's complete hand. So with help of curves, I just complete that thing. Okay. So now let's make another hand. Yes, Agam, make it little long. This the hand is little short. Vihan, hand is little short. Extend that length. Yes, Rajvi. Fine, Rajvi. Yes, Vihan, extend the length. Yes, Rushikesh. Fine. Now moving ahead. Again, we need V shape. And another V shape. And ulta C. I made little small because it's a thumb, right? So we need to draw a thumb. So Aladdin and Genie. Aladdin and Genie. So what else should be there? A magical lamp. Okay. We need a magical lamp. So for that, we're supposed to hold it. So again, cup shape. Okay. So curve and flat line. Curve and flat line. Now let's make a lamp. So what I did, I made a horizontal line, and after this, nice curve, but like this. So it's a yes, Ria. Done? Okay. So, Rishikesh, nice. So this lamp is special, right? It's a special lamp. It's not a ordinary lamp. Okay, so we will make it special, but shape is very important. Yes, Rajvi, this is fine. Who else? Who else? Sanskriti is showing. Yes, Sanskriti, bring it closer. Bring it closer, Sanskriti. Yes, fine, Sanskriti. Kritika. Kritika, bring it closer. Fine, Kritika. Yes, Riya, this is fine. Anvay, fine. Careful, careful, Anvay. Parth, yes, Parth, this is fine. Yes, Agam. Okay, fine, Agam. Shreyans, bring it closer. Okay, Shreyans, fine. Yes, Vihan, Sanskriti, both of you are okay, fine. Yes, Arjun, good one, Arjun. Arush. Yes, Arush, this is fine. Chalo, yes, Vihan. Let's move ahead now. Now we need curve. We need to make handles. Okay, handle for to hold it, right? S shape. We need S shape. Okay, and the stand. So it's a Arabian Night story. Hmm. Yes, Rajvi. Fine. Rishikesh. Okay. Chalo, let's move ahead, Sanskriti. First, let's complete the lamp, a magical lamp, one more curve, and then circle. One more curve, and then circle. Hmm. Now, yes, we won. Fine, we won. Hmm. Yes, Sanskriti, good one. Now we need to erase few lines. Okay, now get ready to erase few lines. Yes, Arjun. Yes, Arjun, let's continue. Fine, Arjun. So again, I am going to mark the lines which I am going to erase. So this circular line, now we are not required this line, and the shoulder line, chest line which I made. Okay, so I am erasing these lines now. Okay, I erase this one and another one. We got shape like this. Okay, after this, let's make a neck. So ये कौन है? Who is this? Aladdin, right? So he's Aladdin. So now let's add details. Okay, let's add details. So he's wearing jacket, right? He always wear a jacket. So one curve for the jacket, and we need to connect his body, right? Otherwise it will look odd. So two lines for his stomach. Okay. So let me show you again which line I have made. So first I made these two lines for neck and two lines over here. I'm just showing, and two lines over here for his stomach. Okay. Now moving ahead, again going to erase few lines, marking with red color. So this much only for the hand and for the legs. Okay. So erasing these lines. So let me erase. Yes. And again this one. Okay. So now we need to draw one more line for his belt. It's a part of his costume. One curve, another curve, another curve, another opposite curve. Yes, Saksham, show me. If you want to say something, put it in the chat box, Saksham. Hmm. Yes, Path. Hmm. Okay. Yes, Vihan. Vivan. Yes, Vivan. Okay. Fine. Who else? Yes, Vihan. Vihan. Ah, Vihan. Show me. Show me again. Show me again. Fine. Ah, yes, Vihan. Good one. Arush. Nice, Arush. Sanskriti. Sanskriti. Quickly show me. Yes, Sanskriti. Good one. Okay. Sanvi. Yes, Sanvi. हाँ नाइस सानवी सानवी लैम्प थोड़ा बड़ा हो गया सानवी रिड्यूस द साइज इट्स टू बिग ओके अन्वय यस अन्वय नाइस रिया यस रिया गुड वन who else Arjun Arjun make these lines stomach lines are missing these stomach lines are missing make do it. Who else? Kritika. 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 Yes, Kritika. Nice. Okay. Yes, Janvi. Fine. Chalo. So let's move ahead. Now, what else we need? Now let's make a details. Before we move ahead, let's complete Genie. Hmm. So now this Genie is very strong, right? With good health, build, everything. So let's make two curves. V shape like this. Let me make clear for you. Don't want to confuse. Curve, one curve, another curve, like this. First curve, another curve. ending line, close it. Done. So this again over here for the right hand side, the right hand. Now I am working on the right hand. Let me give you closer look. Okay. So again for right hand, two curves. Done. Now one curve upward. I'm doing right hand. This one, this side. I'm working on this side. Okay. So one curve and another curve. So Jimmy mentioned that yes, yes, Vivan, we are going to make a smoke, right? That's why we avoid to do legs. Okay, that because we are going to. Okay, Saksham, here is zoom out for you. Let's make a lady finger. Nice curve for his thumb. And one curve like this. So genie offer him any three wishes, right? So our genie is going to say that, okay, Aladdin, you can ask me anything just only three times. But there are terms, right? He put some terms. For that you need to saw the movie. For that you need to see the movie, okay? It's not my bad. Okay, so let's move ahead. Again, lady finger. And okay, so moving ahead, let me connect this curve nicely. Now, time to erase few lines. So, this line, we need to erase this much only, yeah? Not entire line. Again, this much. Okay. So, now erasing these lines. This one, the red mark I have to erase. You know? So now we're done with a shoulder. Hmm. Now one curve over here. Okay. Are you with me, everyone? Hmm. Yes. So moving ahead. Two curves like this. And now again, we need to erase few lines which are this one and this one. So these two lines we need to erase this V shape. Okay. Now we are done with it. It's not required now. Okay. let's complete the curve. Now it's time to make a smoke. Okay. So who asked me? Vivan asked me. So yes, Vivan, now it's time to make nice magical smoke, which is coming out from. See now how I'm doing, just see, curve, 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 and then connect it. Let me show you again how I did this. Curve, second curve, another one, big curve, big one, opposite one, curve, and connect. So it's that simple. You just need to make it curves. Yes, Vivan, get settled down. Yes, Anwar. Yes, Anwar. Okay, Rishikesh, fine. Yes, Arjun, fine. Shreyas, fine. Yes, Arjun, show me. Okay, Arjun, see these curves. See this curve, there is a gap. Okay, Vian, fine Vian. Janvi, okay. Yes, Vian, make this curve little long. Bring it little down. Yes, Sanvi, bring it closer. Yes, Sanvi. Sanvi, see this gap between hand and this one. Yes, Rajvi, this is fine. Rajvi, fine. Sanvi, this one, the gap and curve. See the gap between this. Yes, Sanskriti, see the gap between this hand and curve. Sanvi, Sanskriti. Yes, Arush. Yes, Arjun, this is fine. Darsh, bring it up. Manoj. Yes, Manoj, this is fine. Yes, Arush. Okay, Agam. Yes, Agam, this is fine. Okay, Vian. Fine. Chalo, let's move ahead now. Again, now we need to make opposite curves like this. Nice magical curves, magical smoke. Nice curves. So moving ahead, Genie needs some jewelry, right? So just add one nice jewelry around the neck, like this. With curves, it's a C shape. Okay, it's a C shape. Okay, and now it's time to add details. Okay, it's time to add details. Yes, you. Chalo, let's start for details. You. Okay. Now let's start with Aladdin. Let me clean this for you. I don't want to confuse you. Okay. So for this, we need to erase two lines, but after some time I will erase. So one slant line like this and curve. Slant line, curve, like a beak. And one backside curve. See, I have made like this S shape. It's a S shape. Now I need to erase few lines. But before that, let me complete this his hairstyle. Okay. Okay. So erasing few lines. Now this line is not required. This line is not required. Okay. From the hairstyle and from face, I'm going to erase this much only. So erasing this one because we need to draw a nose. We need to make a nose, right? Now going to make a nose. And what expressions we can keep is either happy or either surprise. Okay, so let's make him surprised. Yesterday we made a happy expressions. Yes, Vihan, this is fine. Yes, Vihan, this is fine. So yesterday we made happy expression. Okay, so today let's make surprise expression. So let's learn. Yes, Parth. Yes, Parth, good one. Hmm. So now for surprise, we need to show big eyeball and eyebrow like this. Okay. If you saw any magical thing, how you do? Ooh, right? You do like this expression. Hmm. So Mandar Dada will guide you more in that. Okay. And one nice circle over here. So he's saying, ooh, who is this? How it came out? Yes, Arjun. Good one, Arjun. Hmm. And again, we need to erase one small line, which is the neckline. Okay. So over here, I'm erasing this line, the line which we made earlier. Okay. Let me clear you. Hmm. And Aladdin always wear a cap. Cap is missing. Okay, so we need to add a cap. Hmm. So our character is done. Now let's make a genie. Yes, Anvay. Fine, Anvay. Rishikesh. Yes, Rishikesh. Nice one. Hmm. Chalo, let's move ahead for Genie's character. Yes, come on now. Yes, Vihan, nice one. So now two slant line for Genie's hairstyle. We'll start with hairstyle, okay? So he have long pony. Let me clear this thing for you. And nice S shape. We need to add two ears for Genie, right? The left one is little small, the right one is little big. S shape, okay? And L shape for nose. And nice smile. And he is looking at Aladdin. So he's telling Aladdin, ask any three wishes. Hmm. So he's looking at him. So now Aladdin saw him first time, right? So he is in the cave. Okay. So Aladdin should be in a cave. So let's draw a cave. But around him, there is a lot of treasure. Okay. So let's make a treasure first. For treasure, see how I'm doing. So it's a pile of lots of jewel, lots of money, coins, right? So small curves you need to make. Okay. A ruby, diamonds, lots of and lots of things are there. Okay. So again, lots of coins, lots of money, lots of coins, lots of jewelry. Hmm. So how I did with the small curves, okay? And then let's add a rock. So they are into caves. Few lines to show glow. So coins here and there, lots of and lots of coins, ruby as I mentioned that you can draw later also. Add your jewelry, okay? Necklace and mugs, glasses, lots of things, okay? So this is how the genie and the, can we show a beard or genie? Huh? Can you show a beard, anyone? Yes, Ria is saying yes. Okay. So let's add a beard, nice beard. Okay. A small one, but the long one. Okay. Like this. See, I have made over here. Hmm? It's that simple. Yes, Rajway. Now show me everyone. Whoever finished with this, show me. So yes, I'm checking Parth's drawing. Yes, Parth. Nice one, Parth. Okay. Anvay. Yes, Anvay. Show me. Ah, add more jewelry, Anvay. Yes, Vian. Nice one, Vian. Who else? Who else? Rajway. Rajway is showing. Sanvi, just 1 minute. Sanvi. Yes, Rajway. Good one. Yes, Sanvi. Nice. Hmm? Who else is there? Kshitij. Kshitij, are you showing me? दिखा रहे हो आप? हाँ. Okay. Okay, Kshitij, fine. Yes, Sanskriti. Yeah, nice Sanskriti. Good one. Who else? Arush. Arush, bring it closer. Kritika. Acha. Kritika, bring it closer. Okay, Kritika. Fine. Who else? Okay, Rishikesh is showing now. Rishikesh, bring it closer, Rishikesh. Rishikesh, add cave and lots of money and jewelry over there. Huh? अच्छा किया है Rishikesh. Who else? Who else is showing? Atharva. Yes, Atharva. Ah, good one, Atharva. Janvi, Janvi. Bring it closer, Janvi. Ah, 1 second. Yes, Janvi. Nice. Yes, Janvi. Good one. Fine, Janvi. Next is who else? Darsh. Darsh, move it little upward. Darsh, थोड़ा ऊपर लो. हाँ, okay, Darsh. Good attempt. Nice. Arush. Arush is showing now. Yes, Arush. Okay. Okay, Arush. Fine. Good one. Ria, are you done with it? Okay. Sanvi. Yes. Anand. Okay, Anand. Acha, Anand. Fine. Nice one. Okay, Arjun. Arjun, hold on. Yes, Arjun. Ah, fine, Arjun. Okay, fine. Yes, Vivan. Ah, okay, Vivan. Fine. Who else? Who else? Yes, Janvi is showing again. Yes, Janvi. Fine. Proportions are good, Janvi. Proportion is really nice. Good one. Keep it up. Shiva. Nahi. Okay. Who else? Saksham. Acha. Rajwe is showing now. Hold on. Rajwe, make that Aladdin little strong. Okay. Right now he's very thin. Okay. Right? Yes. Good one. Who else? Yes. Riya. Riya is showing now. Acha. Saksham. Saksham. Hold on. Saksham. Yes, Saksham. Saksham, ये smoke थोड़ा और नीचे से extend कर सकते हो Saksham. This one, okay? Add this curve, Saksham. Make it a little curvish. Who else? Riya. Riya is showing now. Nice, Riya. Fine. Great. So yes, Raji. Raji. Now he is looking healthy and fit and fine. Okay. Good one. Yes. Yes. So I believe everyone enjoyed this story. Now everyone knows this story very well. And now this is by heart. Aladdin. Aladdin and Genie. Yes, Mandar, over to you.
Great session, and we enjoyed thoroughly. And thank you so much, Anand Dada, for being here for a couple of days. And these sessions were very enjoyable. So in the morning, they listen to the stories and they draw the stories and on paper. And I'm sure you all must have enjoyed the session. Do you? All right. So you can just unmute yourself and you can give a feedback.
Yes, sir. The class was very good. Very good. It was very nice.
Enjoyed it.
I did not in this class. I enjoyed Thank you.
Okay, that is
Very
his overwhelming response. Thank you so much for yes, thank you. Thanks a lot, Anand Dada, for both the days, and we enjoyed thoroughly. We enjoyed a lot, And Anand Dada, we hope to have you more for like drawing and animation sessions. So this is it for today's session and yesterday's session from Anand Dada. And if you want to learn more from Anand Dada, you can just go to artkingdom.club and you will find the courses. So there are a couple of courses by Anand Bhutkar for children. One is for drawing, painting, and other one is for animation. So you can just join his classes, and the information is available on artkingdom.club. Okay, so please tell your parents about it. आपल्या पालकांना, आपल्या आई वडिलांना, आजी आजोबांना सांगा की आनंद बुतकरांचे ड्रॉइंग क्लास, ॲनिमेशन क्लासेस तुम्हाला जर जॉईन करायचे असतील तर त्याची माहिती आता artkingdom.club वरती उपलब्ध आहे. तिथे जाऊन तुम्ही रजिस्ट्रेशन करू शकता आणि ड्रॉइंग क्लास जॉईन करू शकता. ऑलराइट, सो थँक्स अ लॉट. Thank you guys.
Thank you so much.
So let's start dancing and let's join dancing soon. Bye.